This fantastic chimney cooker hood from Bosch is a great choice if you're looking for a stylish model with handy cooking features. It has an A energy rating, a 62 decibel noise level and 2 grease filters. It's ideal for a small kitchen as it has an extraction rate of 400 cubic meters per hour. The Boost Mode is a great feature that gives you extra power to remove steam and cooking smells as quickly as possible. Simply select the Boost option and the fan's strongest suction setting will kick in for 5 minutes, taking steam buildups out of the kitchen quicker than standard models. So, whether you're boiling, frying or just cooking a more fragrant dish, the air in your kitchen will always be clean and clear. This cooker hood comes with Bosch's LED lighting, which illuminates your hob so you can cook with perfect clarity. The long-lasting and powerful LED lights on the bottom of the cooker hood will instantly light up your hob when selected. This means it will be easier to keep an eye on your food and you'll be able to create delicious meals cooked to perfection. If you're looking for a brilliant quality model with handy cooking features, this fantastic chimney cooker hood from Bosch is the one for you.